time on sailing Balachandra, we went fishing for conch in St. Croix. Then we sailed back to St. Thomas in the U.S. Virgin Islands. Hi, if you're new to the channel, I'm Noelle.
And I'm Dan.
And we're sailing Balachandra. We've sailed from Nova Scotia, Canada, all the way to the Caribbean, and we've been putt-putting around for the last couple of months now.
That's right. And if you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, please do so right now. Just go below the video, look for the big red button that says subscribe, press that button right now. I went spearfishing with friends in beautiful Maho Bay. The water was very clear, and there were plenty of fish to see. There were thousands of tiny fish moving around us in clouds. It was incredible. A couple of large tarpons showed up and caught me by surprise. These guys just kinda hover around while you're spearfishing. They're large and intimidating, but harmless and very majestic. Watch closely as this reef shark goes into attack mode. Amazing I caught this on camera. Sailing to St. John today just for an overnight stay and then off to St. Croix. Someone's selling a Tohatsu outboard motor there in St. John and we want to go take a look at it. And we haven't been to St. John yet. Yeah, we've been having some problems with our little Tohatsu. It was really great for the first 2 years, and back in the Dominican Republic we were driving the thing and just out of nowhere it quit on us. And we've been fussing with it. We went to a mechanic, we changed some parts. And we know that outboard mechanics can be pretty pricey, so we're trying to do it on the cheap using the internet and self-diagnosing the thing. But we've got it to the point where it's really like it's hit and miss and it's not reliable, so we need something that works. And we were able to find one on Craigslist right here in the USVIs, so we're gonna go take a look, and if it works, then great. It's a two-stroke, and for some reason two-strokes are more popular here in the US. They say they're more reliable, so hopefully that's gonna work out for us. So that's today. Ready. After cruising for almost a year straight, our tacking has become a very efficient maneuver. Even now, we're still trying to improve our timing with every tack. Zeus, come on. new Tohatsu motor off of a guy that was selling it on Craigslist. Our old motor is just not cutting in anymore. I probably fixed it about 20 times. I've taken the carburetor apart so many times I could do it blindfolded. It's crazy. And you get to a certain point with a motor that you know there's something going on that's beyond your capabilities, and you know that a mechanic will probably cost you more than another motor. So that was time to throw in the towel, and we got this other motor. Hey guys, we have some really great news. We were approved to enter Grenada. The government in Grenada is going to allow private yachts and cruisers to come to Grenada during the COVID-19 crisis. And even though the COVID-19 crisis is upon us, they understand that yachts do need to shelter from hurricanes. And so we have been given an approved transit time and entry date for Grenada.
So we've been accepted to Grenada. Very exciting. We don't have to sail home for hurricane season. I'm really excited about that. Wasn't really quite ready to go home. Grenada has implemented a number of hoops for us to jump through to get there, but we have been accepted. They've given us several dates to choose from, and we'll be traveling in those windows. We also have one of 2 tests upon arrival to ensure that we are not infected with COVID-19. We will be doing a 2-week quarantine upon our vessel. The other countries had suggested us doing quarantine on land. We weren't prepared to leave the boat for 2 weeks straight, not being able to check on things. Yeah, so good news. We're gonna head over now to Charlotte Amalie, do our stocking up. We will need to be doing a provisioning for 3 weeks, a week to get there, plus an additional 2 weeks of quarantine, self-isolation on board.
Grenada's borders have been closed for quite some time. All of the Caribbean is closed, and normally you wouldn't be able to do this. There's no flights going into Grenada. There's no other exceptions for other vessels to enter Grenada. This is a special case scenario where they're used to having yachts come to shelter for hurricane season. We've all been quarantining up here in the U.S. Virgin Islands. All the cruisers that are in other islands here in the Caribbean have all been through quarantines already, and so it wasn't too big a stretch to be able to bring boats into Grenada, but we are very lucky to be able to move between 2 countries during the coronavirus pandemic. So I just want to do a special shout out to Grenada Lima. It's an amazing organization based out of Grenada, and for basically helping out all these boaters that are stuck here in the Caribbean and need to get the heck out of Hurricane Alley, because pretty soon all of this here is going to turn into a real torrent. We'll be planning our passage to Grenada within the next 2 weeks.
Yep. Exciting stuff. I'm
awesome.
Excited.
We need to stock up. It's going to be a few days trip at sea. We're not allowed to stop anywhere on the way. We have to go straight from the U.S. Virgin Islands to Grenada. That's quite a journey.
Thanks for watching this week's video. Hope you enjoyed it. If you did, hit the big red subscribe button below the screen here. Just click that and then you won't miss out on what's to come. Also, go back and check some of our previous videos. There's tons there for you to select from.
If you want, you can leave a like or a comment. And if you haven't checked out our Patreon page, please do so. Just go check it out. That's a place for you to give back. If you like our videos and you want to support us, that's where you do it. Thanks for watching. See you later.
See ya.